Hello everyone, this is me Malik Abdul Wahab and welcome to USkills. In this video, I will show you how to use WP Rocket. So let's start. First of all, you need to get WP Rocket plugin. This price is single for around about $50, $1 tax, and plus for 3 website. And if you want to get this package free of cost, so you just need to subscribe our channel and comments your email below the video. So let's we going to show you how to active the plugins. Let's see. First of all, you need to go dashboard and log in with your administrator account, and then go to plugins and then simply click add new. After that, you need to click upload plugin button and upload the plugin here. Okay, install now. Wait until they upload it and show you message plugin is uploaded successfully, then we active the plugin. If you want this plugin, please comment your email below and subscribe our channel. You must be need to subscribe our channel, because if you comments on our video, then the number will should be changed automatically when you push subscribe button. Okay, you can see. Sorry for this plugin is also already uploaded on this website, but we just replace current and upload. You can see same version 3.7.2 and 3.7.2. Oh, let's see. Our plugin successfully updated and current plugin removed. So let's we check our plugin is working or not. Let's down. Oh yes, you can see here WP Rocket is active.